Today on Garage Guru TV, we have products from Tuff Stuff Performance Accessories. Trust me when I say, their chrome will get you home. Hi, I'm DJ Martin from GarageGuruTV, and today we'll be featuring products from Tuff Stuff Performance Accessories. Tuff Stuff manufactures engine accessories such as water pumps, power steering pumps, AC compressors, starters, and alternators like the one we have right here. The alternator that Tuff Stuff set us up with today is the GM Silver Bullet Factory Cast Plus internally regulated 100 amp one-wire hookup alternator. It's a simple one-wire hookup, and the 100 amps should have us charged wherever we go and with whatever accessories we have on the vehicle. TuffStuffPerformance.com provides you with all the info you need to find the right performance accessories for your vehicle. Once you enter your vehicle's year, make, model, and submodel, you are provided with a plethora of vehicle-specific parts and more finishes than you can shake a stick at. But if you like it old school, you can also check out their online catalog. One thing I would like to emphasize about Tuff Stuff is that these are all new, not remanufactured parts. The old adage is chrome won't get you home. Well, this chrome will get you home because it's all new parts. That's another place where Tuff Stuff shines, is in their finishes. All their finishes are done in their Cleveland, Ohio production facility, and you could order any of their accessories with either a chrome, black chrome, polished aluminum, stealth black, powder coated in a variety of colors, or the Factory Cast Plus, which we have here. This Factory Cast Plus is extremely durable, and it will handle extreme conditions and still look just like this, looking great. That's why we're going to use it on our Datsun Autocross vehicle, because it'll see some tough days at the track. We look forward to featuring Tuff Stuff Performance Accessories on future episodes of Garage Guru TV. And if you want to see what Tuff Stuff has for your vehicle, check out TuffStuffPerformance.com. Thank you for tuning in to Garage Guru TV. I'll see you around.